But check this out. You don't want to mess this hike down here because it's pure moss. Look at that. How cool is that? All those boulders are covered in moss and lichen, and very cool. I'm really liking this exploring series because I'm coming across all these awesome locations that I actually used to just fly right by on my bike. Now I'm slowing down and looking a little bit more, and I hope you guys will watch some of these videos because I got some really cool stuff to film. Lots of tips, lots of wheelie videos, hill climbs, all kinds of stuff. So yeah, make sure you tune in. Thanks for watching. Check that cliff out, beautiful. So this is cool. I don't know what that is. Looks like an old cabin foundation of some sort. There used to be actually a lot of mining in the area I'm in. There's some old metal, maybe old tractor parts or something, but yeah, that's probably an old cabin. It looks like they dragged it here because there's no walls. Hey, how's it going, you guys? So I'm just up doing a little exploring and I came across these logs behind me. They're not overly high, so for the average guy it might not give him any trouble, but what might make them tricky is the fact that there's two fairly close together. So I think what I would do is probably make sure you're square on this one, and if it's not going to hit your belly pan, you could probably just ride right over it. You could even wheelie over it and make sure that you're in control to hit the second one, because that one will be a little tricky because if you get out of control on the first one, this one's actually pretty wet and slippery. It's not tall or anything, but you're going to want to square up for this one as well. So I'll set my tripod up and take a couple pictures, and maybe I can slow it down and it'll help some of you guys out. So I got a little bit of a log here to cross, so let's see. Tubeless air pressure, no need to check. Zero air today. So this one's slightly suspended, but it's not overly high, but it is on a bit of a off camber and an angle. So this one, for the average guy, this one would give you a bit of trouble. So I think for me, what I would do is try and, there's a bit of a cliff or bedrock right there, so I would use that to my advantage. Just like my last video, use that first obstacle for the second one and kind of just up and over. I think I went over it there the other day, but I'll set my tripod up and see if we can get over this nice and clean. Always watch for these things too. If you ever mess up on there and you're gonna fall backwards, you don't want to become a shish kebab.